Alright, scholars, we're going to get started on our first ever pre-recorded video. Alright, if you are Georgia Tech, if you are a scholar of Tennessee, a scholar of Stanford, University of Chicago, Northwestern, Duke, Emory, or yeah, those are only scholars. If you are a scholar of any one of those classrooms, you are watching this video on Monday. All right, you're watching it to begin your week on a Monday. And if you are a scholar of Xavier, UIC, Purdue, Michigan, DePaul, Illinois, Howard, Harvard, you are watching this video on Tuesday. All right, you're watching this video on a Tuesday. Okay, so for my scholars that's watching on a Monday, good Monday, good morning. Uh, we're going to get our week started by doing our daily routine exercises. And then for the scholars that's watching it on Tuesday, I hope you're having a good week. We're also going to get the day started with some daily routine exercises. All right. Once we finish our daily routine exercises, we're going to get to the character element of class. And that assignment will come a little later. It'll also come in written form on Google Classroom. But let's just get our day started with our daily routine exercises. All right. Before we get our day started, I just want to check and make sure students are remembering the call to be ready at attention and ready to take instruction. So I'm gonna yell out something, and you should be doing something in return. All right. So ready, ready. All right. I can't hear you guys and I can't see you guys. So hopefully every scholar clap twice. Just remember, guys, when I yell out ready, ready, you guys are clapping twice, and that tells me you're at attention and ready to take instruction. All right. So for the scholars that's starting out on, well, actually all scholars, get out of your seat a little bit. All right, move the furniture to the side, create some space in the environment that you are in. We're gonna start our daily routine exercise. Actually, I'm gonna get up with you guys. And the first set I'm not gonna do, but the second set I'll participate in. Okay. All right. So as you know, we start off with jumping jacks. So every scholar should be on their feet at this point. Every scholar should be on their feet, standing up and ready to exercise. Okay. So let's go, scholar. Start off your exercises with 10 jumping jacks. When I say go, every scholar will start doing 10 jumping jacks. All right. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job, scholars. You should have been doing your jumping jacks at the rhythm of the way I'm counting. So I'm going 1, 2. I'm counting at a deliberate pace just to make sure you're doing your jumping jacks fast enough and efficient enough. All right, I don't want you going too slow, and I also don't want you going too fast. All right, so that's why I counted like that, just so I make sure that you're doing your jumping jacks at a correct pace. All right, so always do whatever exercise at the pace I'm counting to. All right. So this time I'm gonna do the jumping jacks with you guys. So when I say go, each scholar and Coach Perez is gonna do 10 jumping jacks, okay? So ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job, scholars. I hope you really dug into those jumping jacks and really did it at the pace that I counted out, and that way you know you're doing the exercise correctly. Okay. So as you know, our next daily routine exercise is a squat. I'll model it one more time for you guys because I know it's not a common exercise, but it is an essential exercise. Okay. So you want to come out with your arms out, and then you just go into a sitting motion like this, over and over for how many ever times. We're going to do that 10 times, all right? So when I say go, each scholar is going to do 10 squats, all right? When I say go, each scholar is going to do 10 squats, all right? So ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job, scholars. Good job, scholars. I hope you really dug into that one set of squats because we're gonna do another set, and this time I'm gonna do it with you, and then that way you can see one, you can see proper form. Two, I can work out as well with you guys. All right. So when I say go, each scholar and Coach P is gonna do 10 squats. Each scholar and Coach P is gonna do 10 squats. Okay. Arms out. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job, scholars. Good job digging into those squats. All right, we're gonna get into everybody's favorite exercise. It's been the most popular exercise right now in e-learning. It's running in place. All right. So I'm not going to do the first set with you guys, but I'm going to count it out and make sure you're running until I get to 10. All right. So each scholar, when I say go, we'll run in place for 10 seconds. Remember, we're looking for faster scholars. We're getting faster, right? So really pump those arms and train yourself so that when I'm teaching live and I see you guys running, I can see your improvement in speed. All right. So when I say go, each scholar will run in place for 10 seconds. All right. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, good job. I can just imagine from last week how fast you guys were moving, and I'm imagining it now. I bet you guys are really digging into that running place and really strutting your arms. So good job, just from miles away. Good job. I know you guys really dug into that exercise. All right, this time Coach P is going to do it with you guys, and I'm going to really dig into the exercise as well because I also want to get my heart rate pumping and get some blood flowing through my body. All right. So when I say go, each scholar is going to run in place as well as Coach P for 10 seconds. When I say go, Coach P and every scholar is going to run in place for 10 seconds. All right, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, scholars, good job, good job. Way to move those arms and feet. All right, so we got our blood pumping, we got our bodies moving, heart rate is pounding, right? Let's do some cool down exercises. So the first one we're gonna do, as you guys probably remember from last week, we're gonna start with our arms out, and we're gonna do 5 frontward arm lines, and then when I say backwards, we're gonna do 5 backward arm lines, okay? So when I say go, each scholar will do 5 frontward arm lines, and then when I say backwards, each scholar will do 5 backwards arm lines. All right, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, scholars. I'm really proud of you guys from really accepting the challenge of working out via pre-recorded video because I know it's less motivating that we're not meeting and talking to each other as we would be on Zoom on a regular day. All right, so this time I'm gonna do it with you guys. I'm gonna do 5 frontward arm lines, and then I'm gonna do 5 backward arm lines. All right, so when I say go, each scholar and Coach P is gonna do 5 frontward arm lines, and then I'll yell backwards, and each scholar and Coach P will do 5 backward arm lines. All right, arms out. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, scholars. Good job, scholars. Good job. Good job. All right. So you know our last exercise for winding down is we start with our hands on our hip and we do full body winds. All right. Making sure we're leaning our weight to whichever side we're going to. So if we're left, let's shift all our weight to the left side. And if we're going down, shift all our weight downwards. And if we're going to the right, shift all your weight to the right. If you're back a little bit to the back, shift your weight that way. And then we're just going to repeat that motion. All right. So when I say go, each scholar will do 5 full body winds. I'm sorry, 5 full body winds. When I say go, each scholar will do 5 full body winds. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, scholars, notice the way I count it. I count it really slow. That way it gives you time for each position to really lean in. All right, I don't want you guys doing this, going too fast or going too slow. All right, we gotta do it at a good pace. That way, each side of our body is really getting stretched out. All right, so this time I'm gonna do it with you guys. All right, so when I say go, Coach P and each scholar is gonna do 5 full body winds. When I say go, each scholar and Coach P is gonna do 5 full body winds. All right, hands on hip. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Way to go, scholars. I'm really proud of you guys for digging into this pre-recorded video. All right, so we're gonna come back here. I'm gonna get some instructions, so listen closely. All right. If you are a scholar of Illinois kindergarten, if you are a scholar of DePaul first grade, if you are a scholar of Howard second grade, all right, and if you are a scholar of Harvard third grade, all right, all those scholars can now end the video, all right, all those scholars can now end the video, and and go do the assignment posted on Google Classroom. All right. All those scholars can now end the video. All right. So we listen for instruction. All right. So the scholars that should be ending the video is scholars of Illinois, scholars of Howard, scholars of Harvard, and scholars of DePaul. All right. I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys on on Thursday. I'll see all those scholars on Thursday. Okay. So the next scholars who can end the video now is scholars of Emory, third grade, scholars of Duke, second grade, scholars of Northwestern, kindergarten, and scholars of University of Chicago, first grade. You scholars can also end the video. I'll see you scholars on Wednesday. All right. Again, those scholars that can end the video right now is scholars of University of Chicago, first grade, scholars of Northwestern, kindergarten, scholars of Duke, second grade, and scholars of Emerald, third grade. All right. All those scholarships in the video. I'll see you guys Wednesday. All right. Your assignment is posted on Google Classroom. It is separate from the assignment that I want to talk to the rest of the scholars about. All right, guys. Have a good day, have a good rest of the day, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. And the scholars that I released already, I'll see you guys on Thursday. All right. So only scholars that should be still watching me right now, this pre-recorded video, is scholars from 4th through 7th grade, so middle school or you call it upper school. Uh, you guys' assignments is much different from those guys, so that's why you guys are still on the video. All right. So what I want you guys to do is we're gonna do a stop and jot. So if you want to take out a piece of paper now, I'll give you a second to do that. All right. I hope you all have a piece of paper. All right. Just a heads up, this assignment also will be in Google Classroom in written form. This way, if you're not taking my instruction now, you're able to go onto Google Classroom and see exactly what I want. So close your eyes, imagine it. Think of a time when you had a bad experience in life, all right? I know you guys shouldn't have too many bad experiences because you're only 4th through 7th grade, but think of a time you had a bad experience in your life, all right? I'll give you some time to think about that. I'll give you about 30 seconds. Just close your eyes and think about the time you had a bad experience in life. All right. You should be done thinking about that. Now, imagine what you could have done to not be in that situation, or how you cannot be in that situation again. Write 3 things down. All right. So write that situation down, whatever it was, whatever it happened. All right. Write that down. Whether you got suspended, whether you got into a unfortunate fight, whether you got on punishment, or whatever happened. Write that down. And now, under that, write 3 things down that you could have done to prevent that. All right. So, example. Say if I had got suspended from school. All right. 3 things I could have done to prevent that. I could have paid attention to my work. I could have listened to the instruction of the teacher, or I could have paused and took a break and thought about my actions before I done them. Okay. So those are 3 things I could have done to prevent that. All right. You might ask, Coach Perez, why are we doing this? All right, we're doing this to help ourselves build character, right? We're thinking of ways that we can better ourselves as people. All right. So if you guys obviously made that mistake in the past, we're writing these 3 things down to see how we could have prevented that. So if we're in this situation in future references, we can think about those 3 things and understand ways to prevent that from happening again. All right. So I'm gonna give you a chance to finish that. I'll give you about 30 seconds, and then we're gonna bring it back together. Coming back in 5, 4. All eyes on the screen in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, scholars. So now that you have those 3 things down, and now that you have that past bad experience down, uh, now you can open up. Well, I'm gonna end this video soon, and then you're gonna be able to open up a Google Doc, write that one bad experience down, uh, also add those 3 things in that you're doing to prevent it, and then turn it in on Google Classroom. All right, it'll be a folder that you can turn this assignment in. It'll be labeled uh, pre-recorded video. All right, it'll be labeled pre-recorded video, and then you just click that, and the assignment will come up under that, and you just turn this assignment in. Okay, guys. So this is the assignment for today. If you turn this assignment in, I know you watched this video all the way through. All right. So if you turn this assignment in, I know that you made it through the video, you did the exercises, and you also understood what we was doing for today. All right. So scholars, I'm going to sign off. I'm very excited to see you guys Wednesday and some of the scholars Thursday. You guys have a good rest of the week, and I'll see you on Zoom either Wednesday or Thursday. All right. Have a good day, scholars.